Thank you for asking, Norbert. And I think it's the right question at the right time, because we just as Cognizant have finished our survey where we have interviewed more than 2,000 people, our customers, in 15 markets and more than 21 industries. And there we come to some great conclusions. Where are we now with the generative AI movement? And certainly, Kaylin, I like your statement, is the fact that we need to do it also for a reason. There is a belief in the companies, even on board level, that we need to do it and get it on the move. Now, 70% of the people are concerned that we're not going fast enough. So that is, I think, also a fundamental research question. Why are we not going fast enough into our enterprise? When we see it, I think if you look from a use case perspective, the three main categories is the first, the incremental or the insane focus on productivity and trying to find productivity gains. The second one is all about innovation, driving faster innovation with the use of AI. And the third is really start thinking about how does our new type of business operating models need to look like. And let's also be honest, let's not overhype it, and let's put the hype into a perspective. And so what we're also seeing is that we've done together with Oxford University, we have analyzed 18,000 tasks in relationship with 1,000 jobs. Because at the end, AI, Gen AI is there to augment the human mankind in doing a better job, bring more value perspective into play. And so what we have done there is if you look to generative AI, you really need to look it into an 8-year perspective. And so what we have done, we have analyzed each job and look what the potential impact of AI could be on that job. Because a job consists out of 15, 20 tasks, and in each task category level, you could look about how much impact that you can create. And we call it the exposure level. We even work together with the University of Oxford and made some scientific calculations behind it to prove it. But what you see there is that maybe the immediate gain to bring to a persona within your business context can be 15%. But the long-term gain can be 80%, like a content designer job. Sorry to say, but in 8 years' time, 80% of what is currently done within the job can be replaced by the use of AI and generative AI. But there is a precondition on technology being available in our organization, also getting it in a perspective. Well, maybe if I may, Norbert, is that I think when we again did that study, one of the reasons why we are not going fast enough is the lack of trust. The lack of trust, meaning people are concerned about their security, about the data privacy. People are also maybe still scared about, hey, that new technology, is that already mature enough? Now, if we talk about trust, I can do whatever I want with technology, but if it's not used by the human being, it will not create value for the enterprise. So we also see within Cognizant is that more than ever, we need to play better as a soccer team in a multidisciplinary approach. It's not only the AI and engineering skills that will bring the value on the table. It's also the human science elements, more than ever, which is popping up, which is crucial. So we need to bring design and strategy, AI and engineering, and do not forget compliance and ethics, all in the gameplay very early when we see the idea till the moment that indeed bring it into a production perspective. Yeah, I think technology, and we need to learn that technology is not there to lead, but to enable. I think maybe too much in the last 10, 15 years, we thought that by leading the technology, being the leader, we missed out. I'm not sure if you call your telco or your energy provider that you get a better customer service now with the use of technology. And there is where we need to flip the coin. Technology is there as an enabler. At the same time, and we call it also in the technology arbitrage, we will need to bring much more technology into play into our organization. We will not be able to connect to one technology perspective. The world is changing every day. I will use out-of-the-box AI to accelerate, and I will build own stuff to make a kind of unique representation. But like I said, it all starts from looking at it from a human science and a human-centric element going forward. I think we published also, we call it the game of value. More than ever, we need to find a business IT alignment. And let's also be honest, in whatever business cases that we have created, maybe we have done it too much from an IT perspective, or maybe we have done it too much from a business perspective. That's the reason why I strongly believe in the concept of the OKRs, the objective and the key results, which is a mechanic, which at least is a mechanic to bring, I would say, the business and the IT agenda much closer together. But you're right, in the study that we just have completed, I think in 70% of the business, or 78% of the business cases that currently are used for generative AI, one of the reasons that they have encompassed within it is the fact that the promise that more revenue will be generated by the enterprise. But I believe certainly in the concept of OKRs as one of the means to find that better alignment and also make more joint business cases instead of business cases on one side of the house.